Hey, you guys are watching Bird Up.
1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 4. Looking good.
You too.
You're a wizard, Harry. You too.
All done.
Well, we still have after school.
Oh, well.
Yeah, but haven't we been improving a whole lot? I just catch up on my sleep during class. Catch up on my tape. Class. Catch up on my tape. Class. Catch up on my tape. Class. Catch up on my tape.
What? Dad, there's a bird in the house.
What do you mean a bird?
Oh, I just flew in the door.
Holy shit!
Thinking about maybe joining the choir. Yeah,
Nope. Not gonna do it.
courtesy of nyoom. Awesome sauce. I know. My mom
Once told me.
to pretend the audience is a bunch of veggies when you get stage fright.
Veggies?
Yo, listen to the boys and we'll tell you now.
No. Let's stick with the
This is no good.
Well, this is terrible.